In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change inbox type in Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered or you just want messages organized in a way that matches how you work, changing the inbox type is a quick fix. Here's how to do it and what each option means. Open Gmail in your web browser and look to the top right corner. Click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Inbox. This is where Gmail lets you control the overall layout of your inbox. At the top of this page, find the section called Inbox Type. You'll see it set to default by default. Click that menu to reveal all the available layouts. Important first, unread first, starred first, priority inbox, and multiple inboxes. Choose the layout that matches your workflow, and use the options that appear to fine-tune it. Here's a quick guide. Default uses Gmail's standard view and can show category tabs like primary, social, and promotions if you use them, which is great if you prefer automatic grouping. Important first puts messages that Gmail predicts are important at the top, so you can focus on high-value emails right away. Unread first moves anything you haven't opened yet into a dedicated section at the top, which is helpful if you process new mail in batches. Starred first elevates messages you flagged with a star so you can keep key threads front and center. Priority inbox splits your inbox into multiple sections, such as important and unread, starred, and everything else. You can change which sections appear and how many items each one shows. Multiple inboxes gives you maximum control by letting you create custom sections based on search queries, like specific labels or keywords. After you choose this one, you'll see fields to define those searches and adjust the pane layout. As you pick your inbox type, take a moment to adjust the available customization options on the same page, like which sections to show and how many conversations appear in each section. Gmail also learns from what you open, reply to, and star when deciding what's important, so your layout becomes more useful over time. Remember, your choice only changes how messages are organized for you. It doesn't alter the emails themselves. When you're happy with the setup, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom. Gmail will reload and apply your new layout immediately. If the layout doesn't feel right, just return to Settings, open the Inbox tab again, and try a different option. With a few tweaks, your inbox will start working the way you do.